Namaskar. I feel quite exhausted toward the end of the day since early morning 4 a.m. We are traveling, and before making our final point at Tipu Sultan's palace, we are in the bird sanctuary. It is a vast area, and it shelters, according to sources, more than 365 special birds. The cranes, the spotted cranes, white cranes, seven cranes, and cranes of varied species are there, and it is full of, I must say, trees and so many birds. Oh, you can hear the chirping of the birds. This is chirping birds. Very exotic birds are here. So I think one needs at least 4 to 5 hours time if you want to see travel around this park. So let us see if next time I can make it. I can spare some time, and it is a very cool place, very cool place, serene and peaceful place. Okay, you can sit on a bench and relax, think, you can fancy, imagine, you can read, you can write. It is a wonderful place, and I wish that you come to Mysore ever. You spare some time and be in this park and enjoy the nature's bounties. Thank you and namaskar.